All right, today I'm taking a look at the GiveBest Tower Space Heater. Looks nice and simple, that's good. Pretty nice looking, okay. And I like that it comes with this, this cap to protect the plug. That's always very nice. And we got the remote on the back. All right, so up here on top we got power. Looks like high, low, oscillate, subtract, add, and timer. So, okay, we're on high. All right, that's already heating up, so that's really good. I really love these modern space heaters because they heat up just so quick. I don't have to wait at all. Yeah, it's already starting to get hot. So that's nice. Okay, so if we hit low, goes to low. So this is using less wattage. So it'll be easier on your power bill, but it's still putting out plenty of heat. That's still putting out a lot of heat. So those are our two modes. We got high and low. And then oscillate. Good. So that's a nice slow oscillation. I like that. So this is going to really do a lot more to actually heat up the whole room, because even though this has a fan blowing the hot air through it, this is actually going to help circulate all the air and make sure that it's all consistently heated instead of just heating one part of the room. We got minus. So right now it's set to 75. Let's go ahead and do 71. And this says it's 62 degrees in here, so let's check the thermostat. Yep, same thing. So that's very accurate. That's very good. And for the timer, okay, so it says 0 hours. Change that to 1, 2, 3. All right, so it goes up to 8 hours. So 8 hours is perfect because that means I can set this thing, go to bed, wake up, and then go to work, and I don't even have to think about it. It will just automatically turn off. So let's reduce the temperature down below 62 and see if it shuts off. Yeah, I already heard it click off. So right now it's just blowing air through, making sure that the heating element isn't too hot before it shuts down. Yeah, this is just lukewarm air now. And there we go. Okay, cool. So that's good. So what that means is it's only going to heat up to the temperature that you want it at, then we'll shut off. So that's going to make it easier for you because you're not going to wake up in a sweat, but also just better on your energy bill. So that's very good. Let's go ahead and kick this back up. And so the last thing I want to check is for safety. That is the tip over protection. Oh wow, it already shut off. Wow, that is extremely sensitive. Yeah, as soon as I start pulling that thing over, it automatically shuts off. And that's really good because if this thing was to fall over, instead of like a conventional space heater where it will actually cause a fire, this thing will just shut off. So that's fantastic. You might wake up and it'll be cold, but it'll be a lot better than waking up and having your house burned down. So fantastic that it has that. I'm very happy about that. And it does reset everything as soon as that trips. So let's check out the remote. So it looks like it takes 2 AAA batteries. Okay. So then we got power, high, low, oscillate, timer, plus and minus. So all the same buttons that are on the heater, we got on the remote. And I like that because if I ever lose this thing, I can still use that. So let's turn off the oscillate. Okay, that works great. We can change high, low. Yeah, that's working fine. Timer. Plus, minus, power. Yeah, great. So thing works like a champ. I'm going to go ahead and get this thing running again because it's a little cool in here. So yeah, this thing's pretty great. I mean, it's putting out plenty of heat. It was starting to get kind of cold in this room, and after just doing this test, it's already feeling a lot nicer in here. So, great heater.